it up, Reedy. Reedy, turn it up.
He doesn't really know what cats are.
What?
Younger Barkle. No, listen. No, listen. What's your reaction? What's that noise? Evil cats. Evil cats, right, Barkley? Evil cats. Evil cats trying to kill you. That was evil cats.
I always want to call him Apollo. No.
So why don't
Give him
you guys...
this red, whatever that thing is. Give
Boom.
him this back, please. He wasn't the second.
Hey!